1. Never pick or pop your blackheads. Using your fingers to try to remove blackheads actually adds more dirt and bacteria to your pores, making your blackhead-filled skin worse. As difficult as it may be, avoid touching your skin and removing your blackheads with force at all times. It may lead to bumps on your skin. 2. Don't use your own blackhead removal tools. Many stores now offer your own blackhead removing instruments to give yourself an at-home facial. However, these tools often get full of bacteria and can scar your skin. Leave using steel instruments to the professionals and stick to using cleansers and exfoliants. 3. Avoid ultra-abrasive exfoliants. If you have sensitive skin, using harsh exfoliants can just irritate it and make your blackheads worse. If you are ever in pain from an exfoliant, stop using it and go with a more gentle cleanser. Try using oatmeal as the most gentle exfoliant if you're having issues with harsher scrubs. 4. Wash your face twice daily. Make sure yours is clean and clear by washing it once in the morning and once at night. Always be sure to remove all makeup before washing your skin if you're wearing any. Follow up your face wash routine with a gentle facial moisturizer to keep your skin from overproducing oils which cause blackheads. 5. Wash your pillowcases. Your pillowcases catch dead skin cells and excess oil from your face when you sleep on them at night. Wash them at least once a week to remove the buildup of dirt from the fabric, to help keep your face clear of blackheads.